have from the stock bed, so we're reusing it as the bed floor and then designing the rest. Part of getting the bed figured out is obviously like keeping the same style but making it look right with what's going on with the rest of the truck. So finding a place to mount the tubes, that's what we're doing. I'm about to cut a hole in it because the links are right there. We want them to come through the bed because more low is more cool. The owner wanted to retain the original bed for the 49 Willys pickup truck. So we cut it down to fit our pre-fit measurements, and then we had to cut the center out to clear for the links. Come out up to here, and then come off of that one. Maybe I'll just gusset that or whatever. We have a good landing. Gusset that one, come back and back for the main bed, and then the outer tube will come off of this one too. And then that's the structure of it. And tube here, and then this one's gonna come off of it, straight back like that, right? It's gonna be basically like a third the way sunk down below this ridge. So it gives me a good spot to weld to, but I can still, because then I'm gonna come up off of this tube straight up to wherever the 45 is gonna be. And then there's gonna be another tube there, same exact as this one, up here and then out. Is that not me? You see what I was doing? So there's going to be a tube. That would cut me. There's going to be the other tube. And there's going to be the other tube. And then we'll match that on the back.
off, but I can fix that.
Hopefully it's close enough. I hope it fits. Came up with a design of the bed, so trying to mimic the factory style of the original bed. Hopefully.